You got stuck good.
Oh,
he's fucking breaking my bumper off.
Look down to the bumper.
Look at the bumper.
It's still on.
See it.
What'd you pull him that way for?
Huh?
That's worse. You think you can pull him out of this?
Yeah, I can pull him out of it. No fucking way. Yeah, I am.
We don't have a choice. We gotta pull you out of it.
Where's Martha?
Break my bumper out. Whoop your ass.
Oh my god! Dude. Oh my fucking god!
did you hook it to your bumper?
It's not hooked to the bumper.
Oh
It's
my!
hooked to the tow stand.
Yeah, we're not. I didn't even hear anything.
God. Oh shit.
Damn.